Hey, hi guys, Chinmay here. Welcome to Upskillian. So in this Power BI interview question, let's discuss about what is a live connection. Remember guys, you might be asked about the difference between import mode and direct query. And as a follow-up question, you might also be asked about what's a live connection. So let's discuss this. Remember first thing guys, that live connection is similar to direct query, but not same to direct query. Got it? So there are some differences between the both. We'll discuss about that in the upcoming video. But now let's see how we answer this particular question when asked about what is a live connection. See, what happens in a live connection, the Power BI directly connects to the data source and it imports only the metadata. Now what's the metadata? Metadata means data within the data. So it could be the name of the columns, the data types, the table names and the relationship between the tables. Okay. So what happens in live connection is that already a data set is published to Power BI service, which has all the tables and relationship with that. Now the only thing we have to do is open a new Power BI or a PBIX file and connect to the data set present in Power BI service. By this, what happens is Power BI just becomes a data visualization tool, similar to what we have seen in direct query. So what happens when a user interacts with the data set which is in live connection, which means which is in Power BI service, the queries are sent directly to the data source. Okay. And these queries are sent in real time. Remember guys, where do we use a live connection? We can use live connection in two conditions. First is when the data set is used, like we do in direct query. The second is we do not want repetitive data sets or semantic model. So we already have a semantic model or a data set in Power BI service and we want to use that only. In that case, instead of again importing or bringing the table, we prefer to use live connection there. So let's now see practically how we connect to a data set in Power BI service via live connection. Let's head over to my laptop. Okay guys, so now you can see that I have opened Power BI desktop application. Remember guys, before connecting to live connection, we need to make sure that we are signed in. You can see that I have signed in to an account, right? Now, the first step that we need to do here is go to get data and you can see some connectors here. Now, to connect to live connection or to live data set in Power BI service, I need to choose this particular option called Power BI semantic models. Right. By clicking on Power BI semantic model, I see there are some of the semantic models or data sets already published to Power BI service. Right. Let me choose any random semantic model or data set. So let me choose this particular semantic model called 29 June, my first visual. I'll click on connect and now you can see that my Power BI or PBIX file is connecting to the data set present in the semantic model, right? And did you notice some changes guys? Towards the left side, we do not have now the table view and the DAX query view. It is just that we have the report view and model view. And if you see the model view, we have a model here. So this particular model or data set is already present in Power BI service from where it's bringing it here or getting the metadata here. Okay. So now what I can do here is I can create a visual here by just using the same semantic model. So let me create a very simple visual. Let's say region wise sales. I'll get region and sales. So what's happening guys is when I'm creating this visual, Power BI is connecting to the data source and hitting the data source which is present in Power BI service. The data source is not locally present here. For every visualization that we are creating here, it's querying the Power BI dataset. present in Power BI service. Okay. Also guys, if you note the below, we have something called as connected live to Power BI semantic model, right? From there, you get to know that the PBX file is connected to Power BI dataset. So I hope guys now practically you have understood what is a live connection and you'll be able to answer the same in an interview. Right guys? Thank you. All the best. Hey guys, I hope you loved this video. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to Upskillian, and if you want more such videos, please put it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.